Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change visibility on your videos on YouTube Studio. Let's say you want to change the visibility of your, let's say it's right now it's on public, you want to change to private or members only. What do? Now let's say I want to do that for this particular video. So you see this option here, visibility is written right there. Public means everyone can see it. So you tap on it, you can see private, unlisted, members only, and public. So let's say I want to change to private. Click on private, that means I'll share it privately. Then you can also schedule it from what time to what time. You can see from members only to public, you set your schedule. Yes, I don't use any schedule. Let's go back, private, and tap on save. And this is the first way to do it. The second way you can do it is you tap on the pen icon next to it here, and then you can see visibility here. Tap on the arrow, and then let's I want to change it back to public, and then tap on done. It's as simple as that. Then tap on save. I have changed the visibility of that video. Hope you found this video helpful.